Adding AI chatbot to your Wix website is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can add AI chatbot to your Wix website. So for that, you have to be at your Wix and you need to log into your account. After logging into your account, you have to go to My Sites, and in the My Sites, you will see this page. Now here you have to click on this Edit site. Currently, in my case, I have not published or finished designing my site, so I can see this button, Design Site. So I'm just going to click on that, and it will take me to this page. Now here you just have to simply click on these four dots, these icons, which is add apps, and you will see this app market, and you have to simply search for chatbot. What it will do is it will show you all of the chatbots that are available. So you just need to select any of the chatbot that you want to add. You just need to select the right one for your website. And suppose I want to buy this, I'm just click on that, and I'm going to click on this add to site. It will want me to, confirm this by, it will want some of my permissions, so I'm just click on this agree and add. And it will take some time to load. As you guys can see, the permissions are taking time. Now I'm going to go to dashboard, and my pop-ups are okay. So I'm just going to do that. And what it will do is it will let me, add the chatbot to my Wix website. So as you guys can see, this is available right here. Now I can easily add it to my website. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can add the chatbot to your Wix website. Hope you guys find this video helpful.